Hello everyone, and in this video we will be installing the VNC viewer and VNC server on our Raspberry Pi. So as you can see, we have already installed the Raspberry Pi, installed the operating system on the Raspberry Pi. We can access the Raspberry Pi terminal with the IP address. Simply you need to copy that IP address of your Raspberry Pi and write it here on putty 192.168.137.151 and click on open. Login as Pi and password is Raspberry. So yeah, it is open. The terminal is open. The first command you need to write is sudo apt-get install real vnc. Let me just cross check it again. It is Real Vnc viewer, server, and then Real Vnc viewer. Yeah, so this is the command. I'll paste the command in the description. You simply need to write it out and press enter. This will download the Raspberry Pi server and viewer, and it will install it on our Raspberry Pi. So this will take time depending upon your internet connection. You can wait till then and we'll proceed after that. So it is installed. Now you need to open configuration by sudo raspi config config. So this is the configuration panel. You need to go to the interfacing option and then enable various interfacing options. You can enable SSH by pressing enter on it, and then again yes, go to again interfacing option and then enable VNC server, right? Okay, so VNC server is now enabled. So there are other interfacing options too. Let me show you. Yeah, so camera, SSH, VNC, SPI, I2C, serial, one wire, remote GPIO. So these are the interfacing options that you can enable. Now you simply need to go back and click on finish. Okay, so the process is nearly done. Now you need to open the Real VNC viewer on your system and place the same IP there and press enter. Now click on continue and enter the username, that is Pi, and password is same, Raspberry, RASPBERRY, and click on OK. Remember password and OK. So as you can see, this is our graphical user interface. It is just like any other operating system. So you need to change the resolution. Basically things are not clearly visible here, so let me search from where you can change the resolution. So desktop, menu bar, no, it's not there. To change the resolution, basically you need to go to preferences and then Raspberry Pi configuration, and here you can find the option to change the resolution. You can choose from various different options. I'm choosing this 1012802720 and then click on OK. This will ask you to reboot the Raspberry Pi. Simply click on yes, and this will reboot the Raspberry Pi, and you can see the GUI in a couple of minutes. This will take a couple of minutes to reboot the Raspberry Pi, connecting it to the same Wi-Fi network and then accessing the user interface with the same IP. So it will take a couple of minutes, I guess. Yeah, so okay, the resolution is now set. Okay, so as you can see, you can access the complete GUI from here. This is your terminal. the same we are accessing from the putty. Now you can access it from there. So this is how you install the VNC viewer and VNC server on your Raspberry Pi.